Alright everybody, welcome back for another box break of Golf Break from GolfNut 77777. Today we're doing Ultimate Collection break number 49. Here is a list of the teams. Check out 643boxbreaks.com. Some of the best breakers in the world all on one page. So we're doing... I have Ultimate Break number 50 in there. As you can see, my titanium is going to be number 50. This is supposed to be number 49. You'll see serial number 189517234 on the box when I show you in a minute. And here are our winners. Sean with Anaheim, Boston. Vikings 50 with Buffalo. Sean with Calgary. That is R. Cummins with Carolina. Daragoy with Chicago. MD Pie with Colorado. Tom Shepker with Columbus. R. Cummins with Dallas. HD Sage 1997 with Detroit. Last Ride 63 with Edmonton. R. Cummins with Florida. Dasher 500 with LA. R. Cummins with Minnesota. And Schmiel 27 with Montreal. R. Cummins with Nashville. CK Cullen 52 with New Jersey. Last Ride then took the Islanders, the Rangers, and Ottawa. Dasher 500 took Philly. Sean took Phoenix. R. Cummins with Pittsburgh. Sean with San Jose. R. Cummins with St. Louis. X360 US with Tampa. Last Ride with Toronto. R. Muldoon with Vancouver. The Cardman 8771 with Washington. And Last Ride 63 with Winnipeg, the last team in the break. As you can see, I've got some bonus packs there. Some bonus cards there to give away after the break. But we will do the break first. And as stated on the sheet, the serial number 189517223, and if you're in my last break, you saw I had troubles getting that to focus, which as you can see it's not focusing again, so I've brought a magnifying glass. So there you go, 189517234. I like technology. Magnifying glass. Hundreds of years old, and I'm still calling it technology. Alright, break number 49 from Ultimate. Whoa, sorry. Didn't mean to bump the camera there. Let's break it open. Alright, we have one pack, the empty box, and in my breaks, the empty boxes go flying. Alright, let's hope for some good cards. And we start off with an oldie. I noticed they've been doing that with Ultimate this year. They've been throwing some old cards from previous years into the boxes. This one is starting off with an Ultimate Signatures from 2009-2010 of Victor Hedman. So that was his rookie year, the year he was drafted number 2 overall. The Ultimate Signatures of Victor Hedman for the Tampa Bay Lightning. And then we have a rookie card of Kevin Marshall for the Philadelphia Flyers. That is numbered 14 out of 399. Then we have another Ultimate Signatures for the Tampa Bay Lightning of Brett Connolly. So 2 nice rookie signatures in this box. One from 09-10, one from 11-12. And our last card, a very, very nice card. It is an Ultimate Duos Patches, numbered 10 of 25. And unfortunately, I will have to random this off between 2 teams. It is Phil Esposito of the Boston Bruins and Tony Esposito of the Chicago Blackhawks. Again, that card is numbered 10 of 25. Ultimate Duo Patches. I'm having fun with my magnifying glass here. As I said, it's Phil Esposito and Tony Esposito. And on the back of the card, you'll see that it is Boston and Chicago. So we will random off between those 2 teams. That is the last thing we'll do because I think that is a great hit. Unfortunately, you've got one of the best teams for patches in there with Chicago, and you get 2 plain white patches. At least you get a black and a white from Boston, and you can see the white is not quite as deep as the black one. Alright, let's get to the bonuses. First bonus that I'm going to give away is a pair of Alexander Urban Young Guns cards. We've got the regular Young Guns, and we've got the 50th anniversary Young Guns. So we will randomize for that one. And I will just show you. We have all the way, you can see Winnipeg is on the bottom there, and Anaheim on top. So we will randomize this 3 times. That person will get the Alex Urban Young Guns cards. And Pittsburgh on top first time. And you can see that Carolina's on the bottom. And Carolina's on the top the second time. With Pittsburgh on the bottom. That was weird. Randomize it again. Ottawa. Ottawa will get the Alex Urban rookie cards. So that is Last Ride 63. Then we have a pair of rookie jersey cards. We've got Jonathan Blum of the Nashville Predators and John Moore of the Columbus Blue Jackets. We will randomize this list once, and then the person on top will get it. So we randomize this list again, and it's Ottawa again. And the last card that I have, I love these cards. Not so much this player, but I love these cards. We have a Colin Stewart Letterman patch, numbered 116 out of 399 from, I believe it's 09-10 Upper Deck Black. Yes, it is. So Colin Stewart Letterman patch, 116 out of 399. The person on top of the first random will get that card. So we scroll down, randomize this list, and that goes to Philadelphia. Philadelphia is Dasher 500. Alright, and now I have some packs to give away. The first pack I will give away is a pack of Black Diamond from 1112. That will go to Colorado. Colorado was MD Pie. Then we have a pack of contenders from 1112. The contenders will go to Vancouver, which was R. Muldoon. And the last pack I'm giving away is a pack of SV Authentic, and it is a thick one. Randomize this one more time. Goes to Los Angeles. Los Angeles is Dasher 500. Alright. Now I will randomize this whole list one more time. And the team that's on top of that one will get a refund. That is Carolina. Carolina is R. Cummins. Alright, now I'm going to set this down because I need to randomize for that dual patch card. So we will randomize a new list. We'll put each team in there 3 times. So we have Boston, Chicago, Boston, Chicago, Boston, Chicago. Well, as you guys can see, I've got each team listed in there 3 times. I will randomize this list 3 times. And the team that comes out on top will get the dual Phil Esposito or dual Esposito ultimate patches. Boston, Chicago, 6 or 10 of 25. So we will randomize once, and Chicago's on top. We randomize again. Boston's on top. Oh, that's cool. Boston 3 times, Chicago 3 times. Could be a good sign for Chicago. We randomize this list again for the 3rd time, and the winner of the dual patch card is... I'm going to say it didn't randomize because it didn't move. Oh, wow. Chicago. So that will go to Chicago, who is Daragoy 1719. This is GolfNut 77777 for 643 box breaks. Go to their page. They have great breakers. At least 1 to 2 auctions per night. Plus they do cheap buy it now bins. The cheapest buy it now bins you will find on the internet. Thank you very much for bidding on my break, and have a good one.